Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup. I don't want to talk too much because I know the video is going to be too long. So let's just get right into the video. So as you can see, I already started on my brows and I concealed and set my lids. For my brows, I used the Anastasia chocolate brow powder duo. I love this stuff. And if you want to see how I do my brows, I'll leave the link down below so you can check it out. So since I already set and primed my eyelids, I'm going to go straight to doing my eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using my Anastasia eyeshadow palette, her collab with Mario, the Master palette. I'm going to be taking Isabel and it's this shade right over here. I'm going to be sorry if you guys can hear a lot of background noise. My mom is chopping up some stuff for my sister because we're gonna go to Fresno this weekend for her birthday, for her early birthday. Just gonna go have some family time, get out of San Jose for a little. I just felt like filming a YouTube video today. I like to take a little product at a time and just build the color as I go. Also, if you take a little product at a time, you can blend easier. Hopefully you can't really hear the chopping noise. She's making some duck bahog. If you're Cambodian, you know what I'm talking about. So now I'm going to be taking my Dare to Create Morphe palettes. Like this. I love this palette. I always bring it everywhere I go. And I'm going to be taking this shade right over here with that same brush that I was using. And I'm just going to go over my crease with that shade. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Morphe M576 brush just to blend it out a little. Now I'm gonna be taking this shade right over here. I love using warm colors. I can't believe Halloween is almost near. I haven't even made my costume yet. Ever since I had my son, I'm always excited for Halloween. I always try to like match with him. Like his first costume was a Minion and I try to make a Minion costume. And his second year he was Spider-Man. No, Superman. And I try to make like a easy Wonder Woman costume. His third Halloween he was a shark and I was a mermaid. This year he's gonna be Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story. It's to be Woody or Jessie, whatever I can find, whatever's easier. So I'm super excited for that. I need to start on it. But now I was looking at her costume and it looks like it's super easy to do. So now I'm going to be taking this shade and this just to darken up the look. It's a lot of work to be blending. My arms get so tired. Hopefully the video is not too dark. I need to get my camera fixed. I've been using my phone. I've been having my camera for like I think like a year or two, and I never used to use it. And then now that I want to take YouTube serious, like all of a sudden I want to break. So that's why my quality sucks, but I'm gonna fix it soon so I could have a better quality for you guys, and hopefully it's not too dark. I just want to make it clear that my other videos I look stupid because it was like first time filming a YouTube video, or like my second time. My first or second? I think it's my first time. And of course I'm gonna look awkward because it's so weird talking in front of the camera. Like I'm talking to myself basically. Not talking to you guys, but still it's like kind of awkward. But I'm slowly getting used to it, so hopefully I don't look too awkward. I'm going back to my master palettes, and I'm gonna be taking Violetta. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This shade right here, and I'm going to deepen the look even more. You guys, this is a lot of work, but trust the process. And I look ugly and scary right now, but trust the process also. So I wonder who like watches my video. Like I know a lot of people told me to start doing YouTube, but I want to know who like actually is supporting me. You know, like, and it sucks because like a lot of people that I know, they don't have a YouTube, or they're not into YouTube. So it's like it's harder for me to gain subscribers and stuff. I'm gonna do a half cut crease, and I'm just using this flat brush. It doesn't have a name on it. Concealer to cut it. This is from Ulta Beauty, their full coverage concealer. So your cut crease should look like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna go over it with eyeshadow anyways. So yeah, if you guys want me to do a separate how to do a cut crease, then just let me know. Comment down below. Let your girl know. Because if you guys don't let me know, how the hell am I supposed to know, right? I'm gonna be using my Fit Me loose powder to set that concealer. Be taking Bronx, this shade right over here, and I'm going to just use my finger. Are you ready? I'm going to be using my Smashbox like this. I'm going to do my lashes later, but now I'm going to do my foundation. And today I'm going to be using my Hourglass foundation stick in Amber and my Born This Way foundation in Golden Beige, and I'm just going to mixing the two because this one's too dark and this is too light. Okay, say hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Say how you doing today.
What do you today?
So now that we're done with our foundation, we are going to conceal and contour. I'm going to be using my Ulta Beauty concealer. And then I'm going to be taking Light Warm and then just applying that on top. Just to brighten the eyes a bit. I'm going to be contouring with my Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple. And I also have a video on how I contour and highlight. So I'm just going to speed this up. Taking my Dermablend Professional Loose Powder. I'm going to be taking my Hourglass. I can barely see it, but I'll put it down below in the description box. I'll put all the products I'm using. But it's like this. It's so pretty. I'm going to be taking my Morphe E47 brush and just contour a little on my nose. So who's excited for Halloween? What are you guys going to be for Halloween? Comment down below. I'm curious. Okay, so back to the eyes. I'm going to add some eyeshadow on these two shades under my eyes. So I already added eyeliner and mascara, and now I'm going to dust out the powder. So today I'm going to be using Oh Honey lashes and Be Polite. They look like this. And I'll be right back. Now it's time to highlight, and I'm going to be highlighting with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, this shade and this. Let's spray it a little. So for the lips, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil and apply Velvet Teddy from MAC. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX Buttergloss and Fortune Cookie just to add a little shine. I cannot wait to take my braces off. I'm just going to spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So this completes my fall makeup. If you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you would like for me to do, and I'll try my best to do it. Until next time, bye guys. Baby boy, your letter got me tripping on you. You know you